Hey there, does OneDrive keep popping up every time you start your laptop? Let me show you how to disable it in just a few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let's get started. The method is using Task Manager. Simply right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl+Shift+ to open it. Once in Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Look for Microsoft OneDrive in the list. Right-click on it and choose Disable. That's it. OneDrive won't launch on Startup anymore. And that's how you stop OneDrive from opening when you start your laptop. Easy, right? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.